Excuse me, do you have a minute?
Sure, Lena, what's up?
Well, I'm trying to find a good way to impress my young people. Can you give me some advice?
Oh, well, you're learning reading stuff at school. They practice a lot of conversation and that.
That's true. I enjoyed last semester. We often do role plays and discussion. It really helps.
That sounds interesting, but I'm also interested in learning games.
Oh, really? Why?
Because sometimes I hear expressions like hit the bull or break the ice. I don't understand them.
I see. Well, the books mean study hard and bring the eyes next to start a friendly conversation.
Yeah, I had the same problem before. But in the club, seniors sometimes explain idioms too.
Oh, that's helpful. But I think I should join club and choose games.
One most important thing is to set the game in this class. You might want to consider that.
Good idea, Nina. We also share idioms every day. You'll enjoy it.
Thanks, both of you. That's exactly what I need.
Okay.